What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I've got a couple packages in the mail the last few days, so I want to show you what I got. So first, I got this from AJ's Green Topics. I entered a contest and won a shirt. It's from Northeast Worms. So this just came in. It had the packing slip in here. It has a little information packet talking about what they do. Nice little sticker and business card. And the shirt with their logo, Northeast Worms. Very nice. Thank you, AJ. And my second package came from the Citystead Joshua. He's doing, for the first time this year, he's selling some garlic. So I got the quarter-pound of music garlic and a quarter-pound of his Citystead garlic, which is kind of a blend of whatever other types he had. So this is very cool. I'm going to actually get this in the garden very soon. Another cool thing is, with him being in Michigan, they use the hardneck garlic, which I haven't grown yet. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I don't want to mix these up, so I'm going to put this back away. So that was the Citystead, and then this is the music, which I'm looking forward to trying the music. Very nice. And this is another hardneck variety. And then I do have some of the garlic that I grew last season, which is soft neck, so I'll be adding those all together. Like I said, this is the music quarter-pound. And one last thing I did get was this shirt. It's very cool. So what I'll be sure to do is link everybody in the description below, the Citystead, Northeast Worms, and AJ's Green Topics. Thanks for coming along and checking this stuff out, everybody. Have a great day.